It is my pleasure to talk about the advantages of 1 mm LUMiCells. You fill it with a predefined volume according to the instructions which are shipped with the cells, close the lid, and the measurement immediately starts. Very similar once you operate the LUMiReader X-Ray 440. Follow the instructions on the screen. We'll start according to your application. Sediment height, for example. By using 50% shorter optical path length, we reduce the necessary analysis time by 50% from 12 down to 6 hours. Big advantage. We also can monitor separation and coalescence in the 1 mm cell, as you can see in the next example. And what is also important, if we have high value formulations, we have a definitely small amount of sample volume needed. Quantify the separation as before, but also have information on the coalescence in our measuring data. So again, an advantage of the 1 mm LUMiCell. The last example is for pastes which are used for glass strip bonding to encapsulate MEMS structures, applying a so-called virtual dilution. We have for the initial glass paste 7.6% transmission, and that means there is a dynamic range from 7.6% down to 0% to observe an increase of the solids content in a sedimentation process in the sediment area. That 7.62% X-ray transmission are reduced to 5.57%. So a lower transmission means a higher solids content in the sediment after the separation. We have very positive feedbacks from customers which experience 1 mm LUMiCells in the LUMiSizer in a regular daily basis, for example, to characterize pharmaceutical formulations or dairy products. It was a pleasure to have this webinar about the 1 mm LUMiCells for you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for joining. See you next time. Have a good day. Goodbye.